I'm Tolly Swift and this is the latest car, an E92 BMW 335i. For more helpful videos on this car and many others, please check out my channel. So on the driver's side, you need to remove the toolkit area here. And on the passenger side, we just need to remove this cover here. So when removing the outer tail light, we can just disconnect this wire in here, and you've got 3 8mm nuts. They won't be very tight, they don't need to be. And now the light assembly will be removable. To access the fog light bulb or remove the tailgate light assembly completely, we need to remove this trim panel here, which is held on by 10 trim clips. These trim clips can be removed with a combination of tip 3 and tip 90. So for these ones that have decent access, we can just about squeeze tip 3. That happened earlier as well. So in each of these handles, we've got a trim clip at the bottom. Now, tip 90 is absolutely perfect for this. So to remove the light assembly, this is a 10mm nut that's attached to this plastic that's holding the assembly to the boot lid. Remove it completely. Then from the other side we can push the light fitting out at an angle and access the connector that's holding it